Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how to get a refund on Depop. First, let's clear up something important. Depop refund requests do not always work the same way for every order. The result depends on the reason for the refund and whether you already worked something out with the seller. The first step is to message the seller directly. Open the product page, tap the message option on the seller's profile and start a conversation. Explain the issue clearly. For example, you can say the item is not as described, it is damaged, the wrong item was sent, or you have not received it yet. In many cases, you should try to sort it out with the seller first. Keep the conversation polite and clear and try to reach an agreement. If the seller does not resolve the issue, then go to the Depop Help Center or Resolution Center and contact support. Share the full details of the problem and explain what happened. Make sure you save screenshots of your chat with the seller. This is important because it gives you proof of the conversation and helps support understand your case better. So, the main process is simple. Message the seller first, keep evidence, and then contact Depop support if needed. That is the best way to request a refund on Depop. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more helpful videos.